How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force Micro 50 linear. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Then you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll have your main power cables, and then you have your AUX cable here to hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your Supreme control. Now when it comes to your optional Supreme controls, you have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I am going to be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. So when you go to hook your light bar up using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug your connector into your Supreme control box. And then I went ahead and ran my main power cables, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now I did bring a standard amber unit with me, and you'll notice on all of our full-size light bars, they come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and an amber traffic advisor in the back. But again, we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. You'll notice on your Supreme control box that you have your slide switch here. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes on your slide switch here. And then you'll notice that you have your pattern button here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can select a pattern you'd like, and then this unit has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and then program a pattern for your front mode, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And then if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you'll see your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when these buttons are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn. And then these do function independently, whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll notice those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns and alleys to where when these modules are flashing with your light bar, they will flash the warning color ordered. And then when you activate your functions, they will go steady burn clear. So you can remember that you have that as an option as well. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and AUX button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. So you'll notice that our traffic advisor comes in standard amber on all of our full-size light bars, but again we offer a multicolor upgrade here to where these modules will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. And then you'll notice on your Supreme control that you have your center out, you have your right left, and your left-right functions here, so you can easily access those on your Supreme control. And then finally you have your AUX button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting, and that's where you'll use your extra AUX cable harness. Now let's go over the functions of your handheld Supreme. So you'll see the main difference with our Supreme handheld is its more compact handheld design. And you'll see that the slide switch is actually replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, you have your traffic advising features, and then you have your cruise mode, and then your AUX button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. Now let's go over your mounting options for this unit. So you'll notice with the housing of your light bar that the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see that we have our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then we have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. And this light bar will use 2 permanent mount stud brackets. And then finally we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force Micro 50 linear. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.